Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create automatic discounts on Shopify. Let's get started. So in here, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your product is actually active. So I have here this product, and as you can see, it is active. So make sure that your product is active as well. Next thing you need to do is just click on discounts right here. And on the discounts right here, you have here the option to create a discount. So let's just click on this one. And then in here, you can see some discount type. We can see an amount of products, Y X get Y, amount on order, or free shipping. So for this one, since we wanted a mathematic discount on a product, we need to choose this amount of products right here. Then once we click on that, we just need to put in here a discount code, for example. So let's put in here part 10. And then in here, this will be the code for us. So this is a discount value. Since I have put in here 10, I'll just put in a discount of 10% as well. So in here, you need to make sure this applies in here. So you have specific collection or specific products. For me, I'll choose the specific products right here. And then I'll just look for the product that I have. And this is the product that I have. It is actually active. So just click on this one, click on add. Once you have done this, you also have this minimum purchase requirements in order to make this customer's eligibility as well as this customer eligibility, which is to all customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers as well. We also have this maximum discount uses, wherein you can limit the number of times this discount can be used, as well as the combinations in which it can be used with other discounts or other products. So you can also have this active dates right here, wherein you have the start date. And you can also set here an end date. So for example, I check on this and I want this active until the end of March. So I'll just need to choose the end of March right here and then the time right here and I click on save discount. That way, whenever someone actually use this link, they will get 10% off on a specific product that I have pertained into. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.